The first step in making this combination picture frame is to go ahead and mark your pattern. So in this case, I'm going to be marking at 3-5, 5-6, 17-3, and 19-4. Notice I'm making all the marks from the top of the page. Also notice that they're on the very edge of the page. That's all very important. The next step after you've gone ahead and marked your pattern is you're going to go ahead and start folding in the combination method. So you're going to go ahead, as if you were doing a mark and fold, you're going to go ahead and fold at the first and last mark. Now notice I have one side of the ruler in the gutter, and then I have the other side connecting the dot. Then I'm going to go ahead and move the book around to get to the other one. Notice one side of the ruler goes inside, the other side is the one that's connecting to the dot. So that's the mark and fold part. Now for the cut and fold part of the combination, you're going to go ahead and cut in 1 centimeter. Then I'm going to show you a little hack. Now I'm going to go ahead and fold that tab into the very edge of where the writing stops on the page. That's going to give you, typically in most books, a very nice and neat way to do the 1 centimeter. It's always going to be very even. So this is the combination. So you can see I have the fold at the first mark, the fold at the last mark, and then I went ahead and cut in 1 centimeter in the middle. Now what I want to show you is I've already done about 1/4 of this pattern, maybe a little bit less. And as you can see, it's giving this really nice little 3D frame here, and then the inside will be cut in, obviously, the 1 centimeter. Now this doesn't have to just be a picture frame. I've come up with at least 5 different methods or different styles that you can do besides making it a picture frame. If you can think of any others that I haven't mentioned, if you wouldn't mind, please put it in the comments below so others can get all of your amazing ideas as well. So please stay tuned for all the different ways that you'll be able to decorate this once you're finished folding. So this is what the finished combi frame will look like. And it can be more oval or more circular depending on how large or closed that you have the book. So I have many ideas of how to decorate this. The first is obviously going to be the most obvious. You can go ahead and put a picture in there, and then I was thinking if you had some nice beads or a pipe cleaner or something, you could go ahead and glue that around it just to make a really nice little frame. So that's idea number 1, is the picture frame. Now if you want to go outside of the idea of a picture frame, if you have something like a cricket, you can go ahead and cut out maybe some butterflies or flowers, and then you could just use a glue gun and glue them right in like this. And then you could, after you glue that there, you could add some flowers and decorate it that way. Again, with the cricket idea, or if you have another way, you cut out some letters and glue them into your frame. Again, I would just go ahead and use a glue gun for something like that. You could go with a whole floral idea. Now with this idea, you can actually just stick them right in like this, and then go ahead and decorate. And then you could always, if you wanted to be more secure, you could then go ahead and glue that in. So you could have a whole little floral display. I think that's a really, really pretty way to do it. Now another idea, if you've been watching my videos, and I'll also have a link attached to the video right here, is if you want to make these really fun flowers, these beautiful paper flowers out of old books, you could go ahead and have an assortment and decorate it like that. If you have any other ideas, I would love to hear them. If you could add them to the comments below, it'd be really nice to share other ideas. So enjoy this very simple combi frame and then decorate it as creative as you can think of. So it's so much fun.